Hello guys! As you can see, I am looking at my videos here on YouTube. I'm sorry, this video was supposed to be recorded way before now, and I had so many difficulties recording videos. Let me just check and make sure that, I am recording. This is probably the third recording session for this course today, for the class today. Or anyway, so in this session, we're going to talk about incorporating complementary products. What are complementary products? Are products that you buy with other products. For example, if you buy a suit, you need a shirt and a tie. If you buy a printer, you need an ink cartridge. If you're buying the hardware, the Xbox, then you need the video game, the software. If you're buying a cell phone, you definitely need the case for the cell phone. A similar example to that is our example, the razors and the blades. I hope that everyone, razors and blades. This is what we mean by a razor. So this is the device of a razor. I'm mentioning that because some of the female students maybe don't know. And this is a razor and this is a blade. So usually we use maybe 10, I don't know, 30. My husband doesn't use these, so I don't know. But in our case study, they say that their razor is very durable, that you get rid of it after 50 blades. So basically you buy this one time and then you buy the blades again and again. So let's take this hypothetical example from this Excel sheet, razors and blades. And let's start building up our knowledge on complementary products slowly. So I'm going to start with you today with the blades, As you can see here, I have everything answered. That wasn't recording. This is how lucky one person could be. So please head to the file, the Excel file, and yours won't have the AAA. And over on the blades over here, you would take a look and see our hypothetical example. In our hypothetical example, we are having information or pieces of data for two different products. The first product here is the razor. So I'm going to add razor here. So this is the razor, the information about a razor. And over here, the information for the blades, and this is not the blades price. In yours it's called just the price, which is the price of the razor. Now we don't have the price of the blade, the razor. We don't have the price of the razor or the unit cost of the razor, because we already have the profit, and the profit usually it's the price minus the unit cost. So here in this example, I didn't want to give you so many information in this example. So this example just gives you the price and the unit cost embedded in the profit. So here will be the profit per blade. So the profit per blade will be the price minus the unit cost over here. Okay, so that's really very good. And then we have the blades per razor. And then we have the unit cost over here for the razor, yeah. So maybe I should just put this here and put it here. So this is the information for the razor in a sense, and this is the information for the blades, and this is the price of the razor. What should it be? We know now that we're selling the razor for $5 and the demand is 6, and our elasticity is that the price elasticity of demand is actually equal to -2. So basically here will be the price multiplied by 1 plus 0.01. So 1 unit increase. It yields to 2% decrease in the demand, because the PED is 2%. And we took these together and we plotted the demand curve and we got the formula over here. So now we have the demand curve for the razors. So over here, this is the demand for the razors. So the demand here, we should plug in this formula. So we're going to have here equal to, let's start with the positive, 18 minus 2.4. Let's keep it positive despite all the difficulties that we've been through recording this video. 2.4 multiplied by the price. Where's the price? Here's the price cell. And this is what we want to determine, the price. We don't know the price. So here how we are building our model. So first of all, we had 1 point. This is what we have. We have the point here. Let me just explain to you exactly what is it that we have. So I will give you something like this, where you have the price being 5 and the demand being 6. All right, lovely people? You have the elasticity there. You have the unit cost, and the unit cost is equal to 2. And then in the slides, you have the remaining of the information, which is the profit per plate is mentioned to be 0.15, and the average number of plates needed to use for each razor is 50 blades. So we can use 50 blades for each razor. So blades per razor is 50, and so each razor is, we pay 5. The demand of the average demand of each customer staying with us, loyal customer, is 6. All right, then they probably go somewhere else, buy another product or whatever they defect. In any case, this is the demand, this is the price. We want to know if we are pricing correctly. So we need the profit here. So we have the profit in 2 terms, the profit coming from the razors, and we have the profit coming from the blades. So the profit coming from the razor is the usual same thing that we've been doing, which is we are doing actually the following. We're doing the price minus unit cost over here, and this is multiplied by the demand, and this is something that we've done earlier. Let me see. So we have demand okay, and now you could just put it as demand. As for me, I just couldn't select it. So over here, if you are here, you can easily, I don't know, I don't get to be able to select. Look what I'm doing. Oh my goodness. Here, guys, I'm going to take this away. Okay, now I reach to the demand. Okay, so this is the usual that we've done, but this is all plates. So this is the plates kind of situation. Plate price minus the unit cost of the plate. Sorry, the razor. I have a mistake here. This is called plates price, but it is actually razor price. So let's keep it as price or razor price. I'm sorry for that. I don't know why. Here, no. Okay. If you run into difficulties like that, you just go to the name manager and plates price, delete that. Bye bye. Yes, goodbye. So now over here, instead of price, I will have razor price. And now with the demand, I'm gonna have razor price. This is the razor price. And over here, this is also the razor price. I'm sorry for that, guys. Okay. All right. So far we have here, I'm gonna color this as razor. Anything that has to do with red is razor related. So this is the price of the razor that we used along with the elasticity to find the demand function. So we plugged in the demand function here using the price. This price is the optimal price that we're looking for, or the price that achieves the optimal solution. So the profit over here will be the razor price minus the unit cost multiplied by the demand, and the demand here is D11. All right, now how about the plates? The plates also, we are making profit out of it, and the plates are basically this profit that per plate, right? And this profit that coming from the plate is multiplied by the demand or the average here, the average profits. Maybe we should in fact put it in brackets. So all the formulation is here. So this is the demand. This is for the razor price minus unit for the razor plus the demand multiplied by the plates per razor multiplied by the profit per razor. So this is what we've done so far. So this is the plates per razor, the profit per plate, and multiplied by the demand. We could in fact do something quite interesting, which is putting the demand out. Oh, actually I forgot to add the demand here, and this is a problem. So you could put the demand out and put this razor minus unit cost plus this times this. So we could also do that. So in our formulation, because you see I can easily forget, this is the razor price per unit minus the unit cost of the razor plus the profit per plate multiplied by the units. And these, it's not necessary. This is just synthetically that we need to put it, synthetic. And then I'm gonna put the demand here over here, the demand, and multiply it with all these guys together. So let's see if it's gonna work nicely. It's just a new arrangement. So you could arrange it this way, demand times the whole thing, or you could put demand times razor price minus unit cost, just like how we've done earlier, plus demand times this and that. So let's do it this way for now. And now let's run the solver so that we can find the price. So let's take a look here. And we need to set up solver as shown in this figure 4.6. I think I have some slides missing here because okay, we can set up this. How about I just take a look and set up the solver with you in another Excel, in another video, so that you don't have to wait. And also I will see where my slides gone, because I have another slides here because I have a figure that is not showing. So of course you need to take a look. There's something missing here. So I'm gonna go get it done and I will see you in the next video.